one of any product review these days seems to be unboxing. So, if you got a few minutes and you want to watch me take this sucker out of the box, this video is for you. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like I have everything out of the box. I've got the unit itself. I haven't taken the protection off the screen yet. This is the keyboard. I've got the pen and the puck over there, and it looks like now all I need to do is plug it in. Okay, as you can see, this sucker is gorgeous. Now, I'll admit, I'm not exactly sure how to turn it on yet. So, ta-da. Okay, so that was the unboxing. Okay, I guess one of the first things anyone has to do when they have a Surface Studio is this. See how easy that is to convert it from a monitor? So ideally you'd be around the other side, I'd have it turned, and giant touchscreen and a pen, so this is gorgeous. Let's see what else they ship with. A very nice glossy welcome manual. We're humbled that you've chosen Microsoft Surface Studio, so it's actually kind of nice. A change or a departure from arrogance. The very first thing you see is we're humbled that you've chosen, and this is a very nice glossy brochure that steps you through all of the examples that you can do, a studio for creativity, it explains how it's used, etc. So I'll get through all of that. And a getting started guide. I also want to quickly just take out the dial. So if you're unfamiliar with the dial, you can just place this on the Surface and it's a brand new type of controller. Obviously, I will get around to that in a little bit. I have the pen. So I'm going to take this nice pen out, and this magnetically just attaches to the side, which is pretty cool. And then last but not least will be the keyboard and mouse that come with this. Oh, and I guess I have a second pen. Take out the keyboard and the mouse. Go, and up we go. Very nice.